In today's video, we are going to compare the new OnePlus Nord 3 and the Poco F5. The Poco F5 is already released, so I am going to give it a point. The Poco F5 is thinner and lighter, so it will win this round. The OnePlus Nord 3 has a glass back and a better ingress protection, so the Nord 3 wins. The Nord 3 has a higher peak brightness and a bigger display size, so it will win. The Nord 3 has a higher display resolution, so it will win this round also. Both runs on Android 13, so it will be a tie. The OnePlus Nord 3 has a better chipset, so the Nord 3 wins. The Nord 3 offers bigger RAM, so it will get a point. The Nord 3 has a bigger camera sensor, but the Poco F5 has a higher resolution camera. Also, the Poco F5 has a wider ultra-wide camera, so the Poco F5 wins here. In video, Nord 3 can record 4K at 60 FPS, so it will win. Both have similar front camera module and features, so it will be a tie. The Poco F5 has a headphone jack and better Bluetooth version, so it will win here. The OnePlus Nord 3 has an under-display fingerprint sensor, but the Poco F5 has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, so it will be a tie because it is the user's choice. The OnePlus Nord 3 supports a faster charger, so it will win. The Poco F5 offers more colors, so it will win here. The Poco F5 is cheaper, so it will win. These are the pros and cons of each device. In my opinion, the Poco F5 is the best on its price, but if you have the budget, go for the OnePlus Nord 3. So this is where the video ends. I hope you subscribe to my channel and like this video for more content.